So what is the mechanism? How do we go from an acute problem to acute pain to chronic pain? How does it all occur? Well, this response, this enhanced response, is in part due to neuroplasticity. Everybody thinks neuroplasticity is good. And neuroplasticity is good. Neuroplasticity allows us to learn, allows us to memorize things, to learn how to hit a baseball, to be able to study and understand things. And this is the ability of the central nervous system to adapt over time. But sometimes neuroplasticity is not beneficial. And when you go from central sensitization to nocioplastic pain, that is not a good thing. So acute pain is adaptive. It's protective, and it occurs when there's a harmful stimulus, activates a peripheral nerve. This goes to the spinal cord, to the brain. It alerts the organism to this threat, and it helps the organism to escape from danger and recover. That makes really good sense. But we know the process is actually a lot more complicated than that. So this peripheral nerve, which is activated, receives this stimulus. The message is reviewed neurochemically. Some of the neurochemicals increase the message, others decrease the message, and this inhibition and amplification occur in the brain. And then the brain sends messages back down through dedicated neural pathways. And this is usually a very well-balanced system. So if you perceive something harmful, you get away. But if it's something that's not threatening, then it's minimized and it may not even come to the level of conscious awareness. So central sensitization, in this pathophysiological state, the central nervous system becomes hyperexcited, even in the absence of a sensory stimulus. And the sensory messages are amplified, and it can be internal or external to the body.